Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Welcome from Behriya Model School, PND Maripur. I am your SST teacher, Ms. Zara Rahman. This is my third video of SST. I hope you are fine. Our third chapter name is Children Rights. The United Nations (UN) was established in 1945 as a world community of nations. The UN has made a Declaration of Human Rights and the Convention on the Rights of the Child. It supports the children's rights to ensure that every child has a safe and secure living condition. Basic need of every child: food, clothing and shelter. And secondary needs of every child: health and education, social values and intellectual upbringing. Some children are not getting their rights. Let's read about them and what right they deserve. Children studying in a single room class. The child should be provided with facilities for learning. They should be given a good learning environment. The government must safeguard the rights of disabled or handicapped children. They are also protected if they are abused and badly treated by their elders. Special children must enjoy a full and decent life that ensures dignity and promotes self-help. Facilities should be provided for them to participate in the community. Children who are mentally handicapped or physically disabled should not be isolated or neglected by the community. Children labor. Children are often sent to work by their parents at a very young age to supplement the family income. Under the Convention of the Rights of the Child, this is illegal and must be stopped. Children should be sent to schools or technical instruction to learn these skills till they are adults and then employed as skilled labor. Water is very precious commodity, especially in large cities due to overpopulation and in some remote areas of the world where fresh water is scarce. And lack of education. Many children have no access to education, especially those living in remote villages and towns. It is the responsibility of the government to provide education to all children. Many times, even though there are schools in the neighbor, parents do not send their children because they are needed at home to work or they cannot afford the fees. All children have a right to be educated and parents must ensure that they are sent to school. Health care. Poor sanitation and unhygienic conditions bring about diseases. Prevention and cure of disease is the need of the day. Children should be immune from communicable disease at a very young age till they are 10 years old. Begging. Sometimes the elder from a poor family encourage children to be begged for a living. This practice is illegal and should not be encouraged at all. Children who beg should be told that it is not a good practice. They should be encouraged to go to school instead. Kidnapping. Children are sometimes kidnapped for a ransom or to settle tribal family matter. It is a crime to kidnap children and is now punishable by death for those who carry it out. Improper nourishment. When essential ingredients are missing from our daily diet due to any reason, our body gets defect. for the missing ingredient is called improper nourishment. What can be done? Every government under the Human Rights Declaration of the UN must guarantee that the rights of the people, especially children, are respected and honored by the people and all communities. In the end of chapter, I would like to tell you that you should give thanks to Allah. You are getting all rights you have deserved. Your parents are training you well. You get a good teachers. You are getting good food to eat. You are better than many children. Let's move the exercise. Our question number 1 is, what are the basic rights of a child? Question number 2 is, what is the meaning of improper nourishment? Question number 3 is, write a short note on a begging and kidnapping. All these questions you have to write on your classwork copy. Your home task is, write question answer on your notebook. Do bookwork page number 107 and 108. That's all. Enjoy. Be happy. Have a nice day. Miss me in your prayers. See you soon. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.